How to see the clipboard history in Android phone. So if you want to see the clipboard history in Android phone, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to just simply go and copy any message. So for example, if I copy something like here, I'll copy this message. Once you've copied, now you need to go with the message, any application in which you'd like to paste, or just simply go with the interface that you would like to paste. Now here on the middle of your keyboard, you will have your clipboard, right? But if you don't find your clipboard, then on the top left of your keyboard, you will have the four square shaped icons, which is right here on the left side. So tap on it and you will have this kind of interface. Now here on the top, you will have 5 options. So the middle one is the clipboard. So tap on the clipboard and here you will have all of the information or all of your history. Make sure that your history is turned on, and that's it. That's how you can find your clipboard history in your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.